Hi everyone, this is my first video on modding a 120 scale toy grade RC car. It's an Enzo Ferrari model. I had this car lying around with me for about 3 to 4 years. The speed was so pathetic, so I always wanted it go faster and more controllable. So I had the start of modding this car go faster. What you are seeing here is the finished project. Originally the car came with two 180 size motor, one for steering and one for driving the car, which was also controlled by a control board. The car came with a 27 MHz transmitter which had a pathetic range of 10 feet or lesser. In order to use a higher volt, say 12 volt battery, the control board has to be changed. So what I have did is modifications to the chassis, remove the battery box so I could have more room for all these electronics. So what I have did is I installed a steering servo, a brushed ESC, a receiver, and finally a 12.6 volt battery. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.